Hey guys, we're ready to do some floor tiling today. So this is a new product to me, not a new product, though it's called Ditra, and it is an underlayment for tile.
I'm Sarah, and this is Travis. We've moved 7 times in the last 6 years and are currently renovating our 3rd house with our 3 boys and our Old English sheepdog. Follow along as we renovate our house and raise our boys. That's him. Subscribe and join us on our next adventure.
The way that I'm used to doing this is doing either concrete board, which I've done lots of times, but I didn't want to do that here because it's going to raise the height too high for the carpet to line up right. Or the other traditional way is to use chicken wire. And I actually had chicken wire all ready to go, and then did some research, and everybody is using and swearing by this, so I thought I'd try it out. And so far, it's pretty easy. It's a little expensive for this flooring, way more, like double the price compared to chicken wire. But anyway, the idea behind it is right on your wood subfloor, you level it, make sure there's no screws or nails or anything poking up. And then you lay down mud, some thin set mortar, same thin set mortar that you would use for your tile. And then you put this down into it, you smash it down, get it all evenly pressed in. And then that gives you a hard flat surface to lay your tile. And you, again, do thin set on top of this, stick your tile. The logic purpose behind this is when it's all one platform stuck together, it's going to hold your tile way more rigid. You won't have to worry so much about the house flexing and cracks in your grout lines because this whole floor that we've now created is solid. Anyway, I'm going to stick this here in a little bit later today. We figured out our tile. We did kind of like a marble look. We actually bought a marble looking floor. Did we record that?
I don't think so. We should have.
We should have, yeah. But we did a bigger tile marble looking floor, and it was just off enough in color that I couldn't stand it. I thought it looked terrible.
And it made it really busy, we decided.
Yeah, there was a whole lot of lines going every direction. Anyway, so then we were going through a couple different options. We almost did like a gray tile, which I think would have looked good. But we landed on, I should really blame Sarah, landed on. But I agree, with just a plain white tile. It's kind of a matte finish. The reason I think it'll look so good is because this and our step material
and the
match pretty well.
Shelf thing up there too.
Yeah, and the shelf up there.
They're all the same color.
In the little nook. Okay, that is done now. So again, this is my first time doing this. It took way more mud than I thought. It probably took a full bucket and a half to do, I don't know, 150-ish square feet of bathroom. Other than that, it worked good. They say that you can walk on it right now and lay tile immediately. I know when I put my knee on it, it leaves an indent, and I kind of have to smash it out. So I'm not really sure if I did something wrong or what's up with that. Not a big deal though. I'm going to let this dry and then I'll probably stick a couple pieces of tile right now in the beginning, and that way I have a solid surface to start off of. Then I'll do the rest of this tomorrow when this is all dry and I don't have to worry about misshapen it. So yeah, all done.
If this video is helpful to you, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next week.